Hello, everyone. Hello, YouTubers. It's Anonymous T. Hope you're having an amazing day today. So, some breaking news. The Supreme Court has voted to overturn abortion rights, you guys. So, this is coming from Politico.com. So, as people are fawning over the Met Gala dresses and who was arriving and who didn't, the Supreme Court is voting literally to overturn abortion rights, you guys. So, it says that we hold that the Roe and Casey must be overruled. Justice Alito writes an initial majority draft circulated inside the court. The Supreme Court has voted to strike down the landmark Roe v. Wade decision. According to an initial draft majority opinion written by Justice Samuel Alito, circulated inside the court, obtained by Politico, the draft opinion is a full-throated, unflinching repudiation of the 1973 decision, which guaranteed federal constitutional protections of abortion rights, and a subsequent 1992 decision, Planned Parenthood versus Casey, that largely maintained the right. Roe was egregiously wrong from the start, Alito writes. We hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled, he writes in the document labeled as the opinion of the court. It's time to heed Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives. Deliberations on controversial cases have been in the past fluid. Justices can sometimes do and change their votes as draft opinions circulate, and major decisions can be subject to multiple drafts and vote trading, sometimes until just days before the decision is unveiled. The court's holding will not be final until it is published, likely within the next 2 months. The immediate impact of this ruling, as drafted in February, would be to end a half-century guarantee of federal constitutional protection of abortion rights and allow each state to decide whether to restrict or ban abortion. It is unclear if there have been subsequent changes to the draft. No draft decision in the modern history of the court has been disclosed publicly while a case is still pending. The unprecedented revelation is bound to intensify the debate over what has already been the most controversial case on the docket this term. The draft offers an extraordinary window into the justices' deliberations in one of the most consequential cases before the court in the last 5 decades. Some court watchers predicted that the conservative majority would slice away abortion rights without flatly overturning a 49-year-old precedent. The draft shows that the court is looking to reject Roe's logic and legal protections. And a person familiar with the court's deliberations said 4 of the other Republican-appointed justices, Clarence Thomas, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett, have voted with Alito in the conference held among the justices after hearing oral arguments in December, and that lineup remains unchanged as of this week. The 3 Democratic-appointed justices, Stephen Breyer, Sonia Sotomayor, and Elena Kagan, are working on one or more dissents, according to the person. How Chief Justice John Roberts will ultimately vote and whether he will join an already written opinion or draft his own is unclear. The document, labeled as a first draft of the majority opinion, includes a notion that it was circulated amongst the justices on February 10th. If the Alito draft is adopted, it would rule in favor of Mississippi in the closely watched case over the state's attempt to ban most abortions 15 weeks of pregnancy. A Supreme Court spokesperson declined to comment or make another representative of the court available to answer questions about the draft document, and it has literally the 98 pages, and the article goes on and on and on, you guys. But it is a lot, you guys. It is a lot that is happening. And it really just brings into question, what's next? What is next that is going to be overturned? And this is what we mean when elections have consequences. And remember, during the last presidential term, how, what was happening? They were pushing through a whole bunch of Supreme Court appointees. Remember? You guys remember? With Turtle? Turtle was pushing through all of those Supreme Court appointees because this was meant to happen. This was what they were intending to do this entire time. They were planning to strip away rights from women and minorities. That was the entire play this entire time. This is what we mean when elections have consequences, when people only vote for president, when people do not vote in their, local state legislations. This is the things that happen. And you had a Senate that was pushing through all these Supreme Court justices that they knew were going to share these beliefs and try to get a lot of these things overturned. So this is going to be explosive. There is going to be so much debate. There's going to be so much going on, you guys, but this is major. This is absolutely major. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. What do you guys think that they're going to vote to strip away next? Because that's where we're heading, you guys. Let me know in the comments. Please let me know what you guys think. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified the moment I post new content on my channel. And with that being said, I'll talk to you guys again very soon.